Good day, guys, and welcome to my next video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you import your wallet ID into Gleen Trust Capital. I've had many members asking me, Marnie, how do I do this? Where do I get my wallet? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually import it using your Binance. As you all know, I work with Binance a lot. If you don't have a Binance account, but you would like to get one, just check in the comment section below. I've actually put my link in there for you. You are more than welcome to have a look there, and you can get a Binance account right off the link, and both of us get to benefit in the great amazing promotions that Binance runs all the time. So now let's jump into my Binance account so I can show you exactly how where you get your Bitcoin. All right, here is my Binance account, and let me show you where you get your Bitcoin wallet. So when you open up your Binance, you are going to see this type of screen. You would simply check for your wallet at the top. Simply go to your fiat and spot wallet, and then you would actually scroll down to where you see your Bitcoin. So let's give it a moment to quickly convert. So here you can see it says my Bitcoin, buy, sell, deposit, withdraw. So you are going to be depositing from Gleen Trust to Binance. So you simply click on deposit. The coin would be Bitcoin. So make sure Gleen Trust Capital only pays in Bitcoin. So make sure it shows Bitcoin. The network is very important. It's none of the it's not the BSC chain, it's not BNB, it is the Bitcoin chain. So make sure that you choose that, and then you will see your address appears here. Simply click to copy, and it will be copied. And the next step is to actually, all right, now you have copied your Binance Bitcoin wallet address. So all you do is you simply come down to this tab right here, the little pencil. You click on it there, and then you actually paste. You'll see that the address that I was using in Binance is exactly the same one. You simply just paste it there, click on submit, and you are ready to go. Guys, just as a disclaimer, please make sure that you don't constantly change your wallet address. The moment that you've actually submitted a wallet address, you are not allowed to change it. You will need support help to actually change it. So make sure when you paste your wallet address, this is the right wallet address you want to be using, and make sure it's your Bitcoin wallet address. Don't use any other wallet address, as Gleen Trust Capital only pays us in Bitcoin. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and have a blessed day.